Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umama and my lab partner is Asma Nadeem. Today the topic of our project is four-way traffic signal. So starting our project, we have the first component, that is 7404. 7 7404. 7404 is a hex inverter. It has 6 hex inverters and it has large operating voltage range. The next component we have is an IC 4017. 4017 is a decade counter and it is used for low range counting applications. It can count from 0 to 10 digits. The next is our 7408. 7408 is a quad 2 input AND gate and contain 4 independent gates. The next component is the 555 timer. The 555 timer IC is an integrated circuit used in a variety of timer, pulse generation, and oscillator applications. The 555 timer IC serves as a pulse generator for the decade counter IC 4017 since it works on a binary coded decimal which counts 10 digits. Next, the component is resistors. Next component is a capacitor. Next component we are going to use is traffic lights. Now for the implementation of our project, the first thing we are using is a 555 timer IC. The 555 timer IC. First we are going to connect the 4 terminal to 8. The next thing we are going to use is a DC. We are going to give it a 5 volt. Now the 5 volt DC will be connected to the 4 and 8 terminal. Then we are going to use a capacitor. For this capacitor, 1000 microfarad. This capacitor will be connected to the 4 terminal. Then we are going to use another component which is ground. We are going to use another capacitor. That will be a 200 microfarad. Now by adjusting the ground, we are going to connect the 2 terminal to the 6 terminal and the second capacitor to 2 terminal, and the C1 will be connected to the ground. The C2 will be connected to. Then we are going to use the resistors. The first resistor is going to be 1K. We are going to connect it with the 8 terminal. Next resistor we are going to use is of 10K, and it will be connected to the 6th terminal, and the other endpoint will be connected to the R1. The third capacitor we are using is of 220 ohms. The 220 ohm resistor is going to be connected with the third terminal. Now we are going to use the 4017 IC. 14 terminal of the 4017 IC will be connected to the R3, and the 13 terminal of it will be connected to the ground. As of 15 terminal, we are going to connect it with the 9 terminal. Now we are going to connect traffic lights. The first traffic light, second, third and fourth, because it is a 4-way, so we are going to connect 4 traffic lights. For their inputs, the 3 terminal will be connected to the green one, the 2 terminal will be connected to the yellow light, now we are going to connect the 4 terminal. We are going to readjust it. The 4 terminal will be connected to the green one, and the 7 terminal will be connected to the yellow one. The third traffic light, the 10 terminal will be connected to the green one, and the yellow one will be connected to the 1 terminal. For the 4th traffic light, we are going to use the 5 terminal to the green one, and the 6th terminal will be going to the yellow terminal. Now we are going to use the 74084 and 7408. Two 7404 hex inverter and one 7408 AND gate. Now we are going to block copy this whole thing and put it here, third one here, and the last one will be here. Now we are going to attach them. The first one will be connected to the green terminal and the second one will be connected to the yellow terminal. Now we are are going to connect. The first one will be connected to the third, and the second one will be connected to 2. The third one will be connected here. Connection will be connected to the yellow one, and 13 would be connected with this one. Now we are going to connect it green one and the yellow one. The red one, third one here, as you can see it is changing lines different. First it was yellow, then green, then again yellow, and these are red, and then it is green, and then yellow,